Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS Systems Manager patches on EC2, complete guide step by step clearly. To update AWS Systems Manager patches on EC2, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service from the console. In the Systems Manager dashboard, select Patch Manager from the left side navigation pane. Review the current patch baseline assigned to your instances. Ensure you have the necessary IAM permissions to perform patch management tasks. Select the Run command option in the Patch Manager to initiate the patching process. Choose a command document for patching, typically AWS Apply Patch Baseline. Specify the instances where you want to apply the patches. You can either select Managed Instances or enter instance IDs manually. If necessary, configure targets based on tags or resource groups. Next, set the patching operation settings according to your requirements. Select the operation mode, either scan or install. The scan mode checks for missing patches, while install applies updates. Review the advanced options to schedule the operation if you want it to run at a later time. Optionally, configure notifications for when the patching process completes. Once you verify the settings and targets, click on the Run button to start the patching procedure. Monitor the progress of the command in the Command History section of the console. After the operation completes, review the patching status for each instance. If there are any failures, check the output and logs for troubleshooting. Consider reviewing your patch baseline to ensure it aligns with your organization's requirements. Lastly, regularly schedule patching to keep your systems secure and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.